Hello, I'm Fox, the technical evangelist at Losant. Today I'm here to talk to you about some of our latest updates. First, we added some new shape options for the gauge block in the dashboard. Before we had just a number and a dial, but now you can have a battery, a thermometer, or even a tank. Next, we added a new block to the dashboard. It's called the image block. It allows you to display images with all other information on your dashboard. One way it's really helpful is that as you are looking at device data, it's really nice to see an image of the device right next to its own data. And this block allows you to do just that. Lastly, we released new edge compute data nodes that make it super easy to talk to Allen-Bradley PLCs. To help me explain a little bit more, we have Kevin Niemiller, who is an integrations engineer at Losant. Hello, Kevin. So, can you tell us about the new Allen-Bradley node?
Yeah, so these nodes provide a quick and easy way to get your manufacturing data and controls up to the cloud. These two nodes specifically work with Allen-Bradley control logics and compact logics so that we can take data from the cloud and push it down into PLC tags, or read from PLC tags and bring that up to the cloud.
So, why are they even important and who would use them?
So I used to be a controls engineer, and I would have loved to have these nodes when I was programming PLCs. In the manufacturing world, we have so much data that exists within the PLC at this PLC layer, but we never bring it up to that next layer, that cloud layer, where we can do really cool things with visualization, gaining insights into our data, and creating alerts to alert the right critical team members when a given event happens.
So how does Losant fit in that picture?
That's a great question. So Losant provides a way to create applications for your factory floor. Once you have these applications created, you can start gaining insight into the factory floor and pulling real-time data right away. With this real-time data, you can make real-time decisions. The other great part about the Losant platform and this read node is, once you configure the node to point at a PLC IP address, and you configure it to read all of your tags and deploy that in the workflow, you're reading data right then and there, which gives you the ability to quickly make those visualizations and alert that we just talked about.
So this sounds super awesome. How do I get started?
So even if you don't have a Losant account today, you can start gaining value from these nodes right away. The first step would be to go to losant.com and sign up for a free, fully functional developer license, which will allow you to connect to your PLC. Some ideas of what you might do to get started is connect to different machines on your factory floor and start pulling up machine states. With this data, you can see which machines are causing the most downtime. You can also pull up alarms and warnings for these machines and see which alarms are happening the most often.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kevin. We really appreciate your input. With every new release, we really listen to your feedback. By combining your suggestions with our roadmap, we can continue to make the platform easy for you. Let us know what you think in the Losant forums. Until next time, stay connected.